Step 4. Restoring teamwork projects from backup. In this step, we will present the advanced backup feature of ArchiCAD Teamwork environment. We will demonstrate how to roll back the project to an earlier state. This may be necessary in the event of a user error or some other similar event. Switch to the ArchiCAD instance of Mary Jones. Activate the view map in the navigator. Notice that the Architectural Design Development folder is missing. We can see, by using the name of project leader Mary Jones, that Joe Smith Draftsman has deleted the folder. The Architectural Design Development view set will be important later. We will restore the missing view set with the help of the Teamwork project backup. For the time being, let's force Joe Smith to temporarily leave the current Teamwork project. In the Users panel of the Teamwork palette, right-click the name Joe Smith and select Force User to Leave Project. Please note that only a team member with the Project Administrator role can force others to leave the Teamwork project. A warning message comes up telling you that all the design changes which have not been sent to the BIM server by this team member will be lost. Click the Force to Leave the Project button. In these cases, the GRAPHISOFT BIM server notifies the team member who has been forced out about the event. The next time Joe Smith opens the ArchiCAD Teamwork project, he will be notified that he has been logged out of the shared project. In such cases, he will be able to save the project changes as a solo project from his detached copy. Now let us proceed and restore the Teamwork project from a BIM server backup. Right-click the GRAPHISOFT BIM server icon in the Windows taskbar or in the Macintosh menu bar, and select the Open GRAPHISOFT BIM Server Control Center option from the list. In the upcoming dialog, click the Server Manager button to start the Server Manager. Select Projects on the left and select the project file from the list on the right. Click the Settings button to go to its Settings page. In the Backups panel of the Project Settings dialog, select the last backup listed by date and click the Rollback button. In the appearing dialog, select the Overwrite this project radio button and click the Rollback button to proceed. A final confirmation dialog appears asking whether you are sure about overwriting the current state of the project with the backup. Click the Overwrite button. Then, in the Project Setting dialog, click the OK button to proceed. As you can see, these changes will be applied only when you click the OK button in the Project Settings dialog. The project will be restored to the latest backup. In such cases, all team members are forced to leave the Teamwork project until the Teamwork project on the BIM server is overwritten by the selected backup copy. Click Close in the Server Manager dialog to close it. Meanwhile, as you return to ArchiCAD, you can see that a warning message appears notifying you about the change that has just taken place. Click the Discard and Rejoin button in the dialog. ArchiCAD now reopens the Teamwork project from the BIM server, and the restored project version appears on the screen. Let's have a closer look at the Navigator view map, and notice that the Architectural Design Development folder is visible again. Please note that depending on the project development you have created, it might be necessary to roll back to an earlier backup version of the project. Select the File, Save As, Menu command to save the project on your computer. In the Save As Type field on Windows, Format field on Mac, Select ArchiCAD Solo Project. Type Collaboration ITG in the file name field. Finally, click Save to proceed. An ArchiCAD Solo project will now be saved from the Teamwork project. This can be opened and worked on by any single user, just like other normal ArchiCAD projects. This concludes Chapter 5.